What is an email ID or address? See, electronic mail ID is for identification. Okay, first thing is very clear that this email ID is very unique to a person. So first part will be the username. The other part is for the emailing server or emailing service, @gmail.com, @yahoo.com. These are all the emailing services provided by different company. For example, Gmail is provided by Google. So here you are going to put unique name to whom you are sending the email. So for you, for example, you have an email address that is unique to you. @ is the symbol which is differentiating between the first part, username, and the second part, which is the email service provider. So when you are making email ID, you will see that username has to be there, because it might be taken by someone else. For example, Ashok Rastogi _1 @gmail.com. So he might not be getting Ashok Rastogi. So he was being suggested by Gmail, put _1. So that is how two people cannot have the same ID. A person can have multiple IDs, but two person cannot have a single ID. Okay. So this @ is a symbol, and it will be used in all the email services. This Gmail which you see here is the domain name of email service provider. It can be any. There are so many companies which are providing this email service provider. Mostly people are using Gmail, but Yahoo and Outlook are also popular. Now gmail.com, what do you see? This is the domain name, and it is provided by Google. So gmail.com is the domain name. Yahoo.com or yahoo.co.in, or these are from Yahoo. Outlook.com is the domain name from Microsoft. So if you write outlook.com, @outlook.com you will do, @yahoo.com you will do. But the main thing is the username you are using here. Username. What are the advantages of email? First thing, it will be done in a quick way. One time you can send it to multiple people. One time. Along with this, you can attach various documents, digital content, whichever is possible by your email service provider. Now, if you have internet connectivity, it's basically free. You are just paying for internet. You are not paying for email, right? Unless you are not using very huge space. So paper. When you write a letter, you will use paper. Paper or pages are coming from trees. You have to cut trees, then only the paper will be formed, and then you write on a paper. So this email will save a lot of trees. So it is environment friendly. No paper is being used. Free service, environment friendly. So let us see the question answer.